Okay, this is what happens after dozens of car wash automated. We have a unlimited car wash membership, and so I go through a drive-through car wash quite frequently, and I noticed that this was bending. So I decided it would be time to do an upgrade, and I couldn't choose which one. So I've got three potentials here that I'm going to do some test fitting, and I'll send an update with the one we went with. So more to come on the 2022 Mini Cooper SE. Step one, remove the factory antenna, which just untwists. Super easy. And then step two, choose which one. And so I like this one because it's got some carbon fiber in it. It's real carbon fiber supposedly, but I just don't think it goes with the car. Like, it looks a bit awkward. So the one that I have chosen is the Stubby, they've called it. And it looks just like it belongs there. So I will now convert, because it comes open on the bottom, and the factory one has a stud, there you can see. But the Stubby comes with a little kit here, and I'm just gonna thread this into it and thread it on the car. So stand by. Okay, so we'll thread that on. Good and tight. Looks good. And she's done. So I think that's a lot better than it started out, and shouldn't be an issue going through the car wash anymore. So that's all for today.